Hey guys, welcome to MMRC Shorts. Today I just wanted to show you a problem I had that I think you may have if you own the LaTrax Teton. So, in the rear differential, or the front differential, usually you will find this in your rear differential though, not front. When you're driving, you may take a sudden stop, and this would lead to the shredding or stripping of your rear differential main piece. When you go in, and as you see, there are a few screws. So you want to unscrew this one, and then this one, these two, and also, these. You will open up your LaTrax Teton and see on the inside there is a rear differential. Now, that makes the sound of clicking, which you usually hear. Now what you can usually do is get this piece for less money than a whole differential. You can get it singular at your local hobby shop. I was able to get my LaTrax piece for $6 at least. The whole rear differential will probably be about $12. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and share with your friends.